A lot of people sleep on it when you go to the ABC store. They're looking for the Blantons, they're looking for the Buffalo Trace, the Eagle Rare. Don't sleep on Catoctin. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and if you recall from last week, we were in Tysons Corner. I was actually about to leave Tysons Corner and go to a different location, and as I was leaving, I was walking by this restaurant. It's called Barrel and Bushel, and there was a big sign that said bourbon, so I said, you know what, let me stop here. Walked in, beautiful place, massive, massive outdoor patio, like massive. Again, the elevator situation, I don't know what's going on with Tysons Corner in the elevators. I don't know what's going on with the entrances in Tysons Corner. So that's a huge downfall as far as getting to any restaurant in Tysons Corner. But so far this place seems cool. You sit down, you scan the QR code, and then you can order whatever you want right on your phone. So as soon as you scan it, you order it, and as soon as you order it, they bring it to you, which I think is clutch. The only downside with that part is you have to pay before you get any of your food or beverage. So let's say you had phenomenal service. Well, you already tipped whatever you tip, 20%, 22%, 18%, whatever you tip, you've already tipped that. So I'm not a huge fan of that. I do like being able to order though, as soon as you get to the table, and then they can just bring you whatever it is you're ordering. I'm not a huge fan of the pre-tip, but the restaurant itself looks beautiful. They have a massive bar. You obviously can't sit there right now, but this outdoor patio is really, really clutch. There's a lot of loud music. I'm sure you can hear that maybe in the background. I saw on their menu they have what's called a B&B Old Fashioned, and they use Catoctin Creek bourbon, which I'm a huge fan of. I'm a fan of Catoctin, and they're located in Purcellville, which I'm also a fan of as well. So I think that's really clutch as well. How you doing? What's up, buddy?
Put yours in a glass.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it.
B&B Old Fashioned.
All right, so just got delivered to me. B&B Old Fashioned. I was going on the overall ambiance, so I'll go 0.7 because the patio's, again, massive. If it was easier to get to as far as Tysons as a whole, don't close the elevators, don't close the entrances. Half the parking garages are closed. That's a big nightmare. So we'll go 0.7 on overall ambiance. And you guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and then 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. 0.7 for overall ambiance right now. We'll jump right into appearance. No single cube, not a massive fan of that. They do have Luxardo cherry, a little bit of an orange, decent sized glass. If they had the single cube, this would do fairly well. I'm gonna go 1.7 on appearance for a sip. That's really good. That's really, really good. Again, I'm a big fan of Catoctin. It's local. I believe they win all kinds of awards for their bourbon and stuff, but it's a solid, solid option. A lot of people sleep on it when you go to the ABC store. They're looking for the Blantons, they're looking for the Buffalo Trace, the Eagle Rare. Don't sleep on Catoctin. Huge fan. First sip, that was solid. I'm gonna go 2.5 on first sip, and then here we go, overall taste. I'm gonna enjoy the sun a little bit while we do this overall. I like, it's clean. It's very refreshing too. It's like 74 degrees out today, so refreshing is super clutch. Okay, so yeah, consistency is there. Was made well. Again, no single cube, so being at 74 degrees, if I didn't just, drink this entire thing in 45 seconds, that would affect the taste a good amount. So for overall, I'm gonna give them a flat 2. Definitely recommend if you're in Tysons, if you want a nice spot that has a ton of space on the outdoor patio, this is it. Music is here, giant space, beautiful decor inside. Wish they had the single cube, but you can't win them all. That's it. Barrel and Bushel, Tysons Corner. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.